Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, TechChimp. Today we will talk about how to send personalized mail merges using a Gmail account. So let's start. First of all, open any web browser and search Create Mail Merge in Gmail. Click on the developers.google.com link. Don't worry, this is Google's official link. Through this link, you can create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Scroll down and you will see Create the App Script Project heading here on first step, saying that click the following button to make a copy of the mail merge sample sheet. Click on the Make a Copy button. It will redirect to a new window. On this window, click the blue button to make a copy of the sheet's mail merge. Here you can see we have multiple columns with different header names. We are going to use these header names in emails to include the details of users. These two columns, recipient and email sent, are important, so they should not be deleted. In the recipient column, I am going to change some emails. I have already created one draft email, where you can see the first box filled with recipient text in curly bracket. This recipient text will fetch all emails from this column and send emails to everyone. In the text area, you can enter your first name and last name. These texts will fetch these columns' data automatically. Description text, fetch this column's data. Discount code and discount amount texts will fetch the given datas in sheet. We have to mention the subject of this email. Later, I will tell you why. Now click on the Mail Merge button from the top bar and select Send Emails. It will run one script, but before that, it will ask for your permission to run it. Click the OK button. Now select the Gmail account you want to use. Click the Advanced option. Here, then select Go to Gmail Sheets. Mail Merge link. Here. Click the Allow button. Don't worry. Everything is totally safe. Now again, click on Mail Merge. It is asking to copy the subject of draft mail, which we want to mail merge with. Go back to email and copy this subject and paste it into this box. So, the script is running right now. Finally, you can see that the email has been sent, and the timestamp has been added to the email sent column. Let's check the emails that we sent through it. You can see Sherlock Holmes' first name and last name have been picked up from these columns. The discount code and discount amount have also been dynamically fetched. So guys, as you can see, we personalized our email with a mail merge. You can send multiple emails to your contacts with just one click. I hope this video will help you send multiple emails through Gmail. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.